We're on the succulent patio. And there is a lot to choose from, Danny.
For sure, for sure. This is a succulent hut.
Hut, sorry, not patio.
Yeah, it's the hut. So succulents like to be in the afternoon shade.
Okay.
They don't want to freeze, so we need to protect them from a hard freeze. Well-drained soil.
They're so delicate.
Yeah, they're
well-drained.
So well-drained. Don't overwater them for sure.
All right.
People always love to overwater their plants. Succulents is a no-no.
So if it's sitting on my patio, you think I need to water it once 2 weeks?
Yeah, once a week maybe.
Okay,
depends on how well-drained your soil is.
So if I dig down in here.
So when you water, of course, it's going to be wet.
That doesn't need to be watered.
After that, it should dry out. It needs to dry totally out and then reapply the water.
Let it dry.
Yep, let it dry, totally dry.
Okay. Such variety.
Oh,
You've got tall ones and you've got sweet little tabletops.
Yes, some things are cactus, some things are succulents, but
they're
all the
drapers.
Yep, there's plenty of trailing succulents.
And even the hanging plants.
Hanging succulents.
They are beautiful. And we have the variegated here. Yep. Those are so pretty. They look like Aggie plants. Well, thanks very much. We are going to enjoy these succulents.